Hello everyone, this is Savvy Musafir and I know we are meeting after a long time, and this time I'll be exploring the city of heritage, city of art and city of culture, none other than the city of joy. It's Kolkata city itself, and let's explore this place.
No, no, I get up. No, 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 I get up. No, no, can't deny it. No, no, I get up.
Hi everyone, this place which I am right now is called Kumar Tulli. It is a place where idols are being made. आप कोलकाता में कहीं भी देखते हो मूर्ति लगता है पूजा होता है तो all these idols come from this place mostly, and यहाँ पे the artisans which produce this quality of work which you can see, they work all day all night, and this has been carried through their family traditions over 150 and 200 years. And let's take a walk through of this place. और दोस्तों मैं अभी हूँ मलिक घाट के फ्लावर मार्केट में. दिस इज़ वेरी फेमस प्लेस इन कोलकाता. ऑल द फ्लावर शॉप यू कैन सी. Hi everyone, this place which I am visiting right now is the most famous branch of Indian Coffee House, which is situated in the College Street of Kolkata. And this place has been a major hotspot for meetings of college students and intellectual debates. It has played a very significant role in shaping the cultural history of Kolkata. Some of the major people who were regular visitors were Amartya Sen and Satyajit Ray, who used to come here and explore the possibilities of their thoughts. Let's explore this place. So friends, the next place that we'll be visiting is the Gariyahat flyover. And the interesting fact about this place is that this is a open chess club out here where people come and sit and play chess. Let's explore this place and see how the people interact with each other. Hi everyone, and this place which I am here right now is called the Prinsep Ghat. The Prinsep Ghat is one of the most iconic places of Kolkata, and it was built by the Britishers during 1843. And it has the architecture of Gothic and Greek inlays. And the best thing about this place is that you can take a boat ride and explore the scenic beauty. So let's try the boating. So friends, now we are headed towards Dakshineswar Kali temple. So to reach there, we took a metro from Kalighat metro station, and something brief about Dakshineswar Kali temple. It was built in 1855, by Rani Rashmoni, and it has its strong association with Ramakrishna Paramahansa as well. So let's explore this place. And I know that cameras are not allowed inside the temple, so I'll briefly show the premises around it. तो दोस्तों जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं, यहाँ पे भैया जी ने बोला है इसको हम बोलते हैं कमरंगा, और उड़िया में भी हम लोग को करमंगा भी बोला जाता है। और एक फ्रूट है, लोकल फ्रूट, जो बेर का फूल है, और इसे हम लोग उड़ीसा में बौराकोली भी कहते हैं। सो ये फ्रूट टेस्ट करते करते हम लोग चलेंगे घाट तक, क्योंकि दक्षिणेश्वर घाट से हम लोग बेलूर मठ को एक फेरी लेंगे, which cost you around 11 rupees or 12 rupees per ride. Then अभी हम लोग जाएंगे बेलूर मठ तक से। Hi friends, now we have come to explore the eco park situated in the new town, and यहाँ का एक स्पेशलिटी यह है कि there are 7 wonders का एक पार्क है, which you can take extra ticket of 30 rupees and you can visit it. And also because it's a very big park, you can book a bicycle ride and roam around. So let's explore this place.